Everyone, welcome to a new video. Manuel was here and let's go. Today I'm going to break down how I take this trade on GBP AUD this week. I'm making this breakdown for you to understand why I take this trade, and you can take some notes and learn with my trades. For sure, I use videos of other people to learn with them, so I'm trying to help you with my videos and with my content, and I think this could be useful for beginners, for every trader. I think these videos could be useful, and I love to have these too, so I'm here to show you. And today I'm going to start to show why I take this trade on pounds Aussie dollar. Okay, very simple. So let's start to break the weekly time frame. Okay, here you can see in the right we have W's, M's, W's and M's. This means weekly resistance or support wherever M is monthly level. Okay, weekly level. Okay, so these levels are levels where I see price reject or taking liquidity a lot of times, and I put these levels just to understand where price reverse or where price break and retest. This is like important levels, not like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes levels. I don't care about that levels. I'll just use 1 hour and 4 hours levels for day trading. And for my day trading view, I like the most to trade around the weekly and monthly levels, because I know we have more confirmations. As you can see here on this monthly zone, we have support, support, support. So price tend to support here a lot of times. Price tend to support here, as you can see, and price tend to resist here. Okay, so we have a confidence that this is an important level. Okay, simple to understand. So okay, this is why I take this trade. So on weekly time frame, as we can see, we have a massive impulse to the upside. Price break this, I don't know, maybe this last swing low. Okay, last swing low highs. You can see from this last swing we print this last low and we print a new higher high. Okay, so we break this structure and we change this structure for a possible uptrend, and maybe price can push all the way up here. Okay, but as we can see, this zone is a massive zone. On we can see here on the monthly time frame, support, support, resistance, resistance, price resisted here, resisted here, resisted here, as we can see. And what I'm going to look for is to maybe price give a retest into this area. Okay, we saw last week price pushing all the way up here above this zone, and price came to this weekly zone. As we can see, look perfectly here. Resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, resistance here, support, resistance. We have many confluence and many combined touches, and I mark these levels. Okay, and I mark these levels where I can see price extending or impulsing the highest. Okay, as you can see, price break above, retest this zone and push higher. Price break above, retest this zone, push higher. Retest this zone, correction, print a double bottom, breaking below, retest on this week, and push lower. Okay, very simple. So I have this main level on my mind, 81742. Okay, and actually I mentioned this on my not VIP channel. I don't call it like VIP channel, but I call for my clients, people that I manage their accounts. So I give them an inside trade. Like I show them why I take this trade, because I'm managing this portfolio. So I want to them to see why I take, because I always want to show them that I'm taking things that is um, sorry, I don't know how to say this shit in English. So, but I think you can understand simply. So as you can see, I have this zone of my mind this week. Okay, and I was looking for price came here, and once price reject this zone and we had a bearish day, I'm going to look for short the next day. Okay, because we can see price reject this time multiple times, and if we reject once, we have a very chance to price keep melting lower and maybe retesting this monthly time frame. Okay, because well, price reject this zone. Okay, normal, we need to see price stopping this break, and I'm going to look for this retest to take longs around this area, this monthly zone, or here. Okay, I like to see a retracement to price pushing lower to after keep buying, okay? I'm going just again with a trend. But if I see these like fast opportunities on the trading week, I'm going to catch them, okay? Very simple. So as we can see, price reject here, and after that I pass to the daily time frame. Okay, let me show you. So daily time frame, I just use these time frames, as you can see, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. Okay, so as we can see here, pass to the daily time frame. Okay, and on the daily time frame, as we can see here, very clear. Look, we have this resistance here, perfect. Price push all the way up here, rejected this zone with a shooting star candle on a daily bearish day, and in the next day, yeah, I think just on this, in this zone, yeah, once I see like 1 2 3 price rejecting and failing breaking this zone, I was looking for this day to short the price all the way down here. Okay, so I'm going to show you why I take the trade. So as you can see, price show me rejections on a daily time frame, and I saw price, okay, this maybe could be a very higher possibility to price break above and retest the zone, so we are going to catch this retracement short. Okay, so on the 4 hours, let me show you, we just care about this area, okay, because this is the area we break above, retest, and push higher. As you can see here, clean retest on 4 hours, but I want to see a daily retest. And as we can see here, I had this um, I had this little neckline. Okay, as you can see, 1 second, just 1 second, my PC is bugging, sorry. Okay, so as you can see on the hourly time frame, okay, on this day, okay, we start to see price pushing all the way back, and we have a full reverse on this day, and price print a shooting bullish star. Okay, so this is good. This means buyers fail. Okay, fails. So in the next day, I was looking for, I had this level print, as you can see, look, price supported here, supported here, supported here. So I was looking, okay, maybe if price come back here and push higher again, price want to keep pushing higher. But if price pushing lower and break this zone, I'm going to wait a retest or retest both, as you can see here, twice, two retests, perfect. Support, break, retest, retest, almost retest here, price just retest this high. And as we can see, this is why I take this trade. Okay, once price just break this zone, okay, I just wait, and I saw, just 1 second, and I saw this bullish candle after I saw this bearish candle, and I just place here, I placed my target here, and yeah, I think it was something like this here, just like it is, as you can see. And my stops, I put something above, let me see where I put my stops. I think I put in this time, I put something like a bit higher of this past high, the candle that we break. So let me just see. Okay, my micro is working. Perfect. I put here above this breaking candle, break this high breaking candle. Okay, I put like something like this, and I took this perfect trade. Okay, this is one of the most setups that I like, is break and retest. I take multiple trades like this week actually, and yeah, I think it's a very good setup. You need to be patient for sure. You can just see price going lower and breaking these lows and you place your trade here. No, you want to see price closing below, okay, and after retesting, because sometimes we see fake outs, sometimes we see rejections, and maybe sometimes you place your trade um, maybe because you want to see the hour candle closing below. Okay, because look, you can be here, okay, price was melting down, you see, okay, price pushing here so low, and you can take your trade here and you put just your stops a bit higher and you get stopped. You want to see price breaking, having confirmation, okay, like pushing higher, bearish candle, okay, okay, we still have sellers here, so let's go with the trend. As you can see, price push all the way down. I actually took some profits here, and price came all the way up again. I take another trade here and I close again here, okay, and I didn't place all the way here, but my main target was this zone, but I just closed like these areas. Okay, why? Because I was thinking, okay, maybe price is trending or supporting something like around this last area. Okay, we have this last area, sorry, of we had some demands on here. Okay, and I was thinking, okay, maybe support is supporting here, maybe price is not perfect all the time, price doesn't reach levels all the time perfectly, so we need to know that. But as we can see, price came here perfectly. So what I'm looking now, this is a bonus thing that I'm going to give you. So what I'm looking for now, okay, for the next week, I'm not going to look for this week because we are on Thursday and tomorrow is Friday, and we just want more, like we want to see price supporting, you know. And what I'm going to look for is daily time frame. As we can see, we can turn on my EM8, we can see bullish trend, okay, for hours, same bullish uptrend. Okay, this could be just a retracement or a pullback or whatever you want to call to price keep pushing higher. Okay, bullish on higher time frames trends. As you can see, weekly we are okay, in the weekly we are actually on a bearish trend, but I think we just broke like the trend, and I think price is just going to work around here, okay, because we broke the structure. But on the main trend on the weekest time frame, we can see we are on a downtrend, okay. So this could be just a potential push higher to print a new higher high, a new higher low, sorry, a new lower high, sorry. And but who cares, I don't care about all that. So let's see. So in the daily time frame, as you can see, bullish time frame, bullish trend. So resistance here, I'm just going to look for this possible here, come all the way down, and I'm going to look for this amazing trade. Okay, I'm going to look for these possible longs. Okay, I'm just going to look to price start to reject this area. I want to see some entry signals, and when I say entry signals, it's something like bullish candles, bullish engulfing candles, bullish hammers, whatever. I need to see entry signals. If I don't see, I will not trigger my trade. Okay, I'm not that guy that, okay, price came all the way down here, reached my level, and I placed my trade. No, never. I need to see confirmations. I need to see price rejecting, failing this level, and show me, okay, we are getting some buyers here. I'm not the guy who, okay, just price reaches level, I know 100%. We never know 100%, you know, it's impossible. And markets are very tricky, and you know that for sure. You already lose money, and it's normal. It's part of the plan. So I like to see price rejecting this zone, but we can see price rejecting other zones. Okay, so we can put FIBO from here to here, and look, as we can see, a very great zone to see price rejecting was this one, 50%. Okay, because we have buyers here, very great zone, and we can hope for this 61%, or we can push from this low, okay, and we can see price already reject the zone, and maybe this could be a very interesting zone. Okay, as we can see here, I'm gonna mark this one for my future to know that I have 61% here, and to know that I have something that price can come here. As you can see, resistance, break above, turning it to support and push all the way up. So here is where our buyers actually win against the trade, against the sellers, and this trade push all the way up with a possible retracement all the way down, and price push all the way up. So price is never perfectly, as I mentioned before. The levels are very good just you for understand where are you on the charts, but they are not perfect all the time for sure. And FIBO is the same. Fibonacci is not perfect all the time. And we have this massive movement, and I'm just going to look for longs. Okay, just going to look for longs because we are trending on uptrend. Easy. So guys, I think this was a very good video. Take your notes, and drop some like. Comment on the chat to ask me some questions. I'm able to talk. I'm able to make video calls. I'm able to explain you why I make this, why I take this, why I look for this. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Thank you so much for another video, and bye.